How to add emulator to Trimui Smart Pro. Step 1. Modify config and launch files. Locate files. Find config, JSON and launch. H files for your emulator. Edit paths. Open these files in a text editor. Update paths. Change the folder paths and core names to match your new emulator's setup. Save changes. Save the updated files. Step 2. Adjust CPU speed for better performance. Find or create QFrec file. Go to the emulators folder. Edit CPU frequency. Set the file value to improve performance. For example, 150000 for ScumVM. Save and reboot. Save the file and reboot your device to apply changes. Step 3. Transfer emulators from Tomato OS. Copy folders. Transfer the emus, ims, and ROMs folders from Tomato OS to your Smart Pro. Add BIOS files. Ensure necessary BIOS files are in the RetroArch folder. Paste folders. Place these folders in the appropriate directories on your Smart Pro. Step 4. Set up ScumVM. Copy core file. Move the correct ScumVM core file about 100 megabytes from Tomato OS to RetroArch/core. Transfer GUI schemes. Copy the GUI files from BIOS/ScumVM in Tomato OS to your Smart Pro. Configure ScumVM. Point ScumVM to the GUI files in its configuration. Step 5. Launch games directly from the front end. Configure ScumVM files. Set up these files to point to your games. Check front end. Make sure your Smart Pro's front end can recognize and launch these games directly. Step 6. Set up Amiga emulation. Copy core. Move the Amiga core from Tomato OS to RetroArch/cores. Adjust display settings. Modify settings to enable full screen mode for games. Step 7. Run DOS games. Map controls. Set the back button, select, to toggle the on-screen keyboard in RetroArch's control settings. Connect keyboard. Test if your Bluetooth keyboard works. If not, try using the USB-C port.